Hey, y'all. Appreciate y'all checking in. My bad. I had to put my phone on Do Not Disturb. How y'all doing? Holidays are upon us. I appreciate y'all for joining us tonight for Building and Bonding, Assembling the Dream Team. Yes. So y'all, I'm tired. I'm so tired. We will be meeting with Miss Mikia today. She'll be on our live talking about property management and why that's essential to your real estate team. So while we wait for Miss Mikia, I said, let me just vibe out a little bit. I love music. And I just be vibing. Today was a day. Woo! If y'all could truly see the behind the scenes of